Okay, Oak Rovers, this is going to be a video to help you set up a proportion to solve percent decrease problems. Here are some reasons why you might have a problem that has a percent decrease. One of the biggest problems that we'll have, or one of the problems that we'll see the most often, is problems where we have a sale going on. And I want to know the sale price, or the percent discount, or the original price. Now notice those three things are right here kind of and make a triangle. I have the original price, I have a sale price, and I have a percent discount all in my all in my triangle. If you notice at my model that I have up here, I have percents on the bottom row. And on the top row, I have prices or amounts. My percents start off at 0%, and they go on all the way 10, 20, 30, 50, 60, 70, 80, all the way up to 100% right there. And in between, I have the percent of the price paid. That's going to be if I have a percent discount. And then on top, right above 100%, I have my original price. And then to the left of it, between 0 and the original price, I have a sale price. And that makes sense because your sale price is going to be less than your original price. Okay? Let's see how this one works. My first problem is this. Ashley is buying new Nike running shoes. If the shoes were regularly $148 and on sale for $88.80, what was the percent off? So there's two things that I know in this problem. In all these problems, I'm going to know two things. The way I always start this is I always start my 100% on the percent row, right there on the bottom, all the way down at the end. So I have 0% there, 100% here. Now, if you pay 100% of a price for something, you're paying the regular price. And this problem says the shoes are regularly $148, so in the regular price part, I'm going to put $148 there. Now my sale price is going to be down here. It's going to be more than $0, but less than the regular price. It's going to be somewhere in between there. And I'm going to put that sale price of $88.80 right there. Now I'm trying to find my percent discount, and that percent discount is going to be right there between the two lines, between the 100% and this other percent right there. Now I'm going to put an X here because that's how I'm going to cross multiply to solve this. So now I've set up a proportion. If you look at the right side of my double number line, I'm kind of circling the proportion I have. To solve for that, I take X times 148 and 88.80 times 100. Just like that. Now if I multiply out both sides, I end up getting 8,880 is equal to 148x. Now if I divide both sides by 148, I get my answer of x is equal to 60%. But 60% isn't the percent off. That's the percentage of the original price that I paid. So to find my percent off, it's going to be the difference between 60, which is right there, and 100, because my percent off is what I got a discount, or how much of a discount I got. So my percent off is actually going to be 40%, because between 60% and 100%, there's a difference of 40%. Let's try a different one. This time, I'm going to move where my unknown is. Number 2. Angela was going to the play Jersey Boys while out in New York. She got tickets for a great deal. She paid $80.50 for the tickets, and they were 30% off the regular price. What was the regular price? Well, remember, if you pay the regular price, that's like paying 100%. And that's what I don't know in this problem. So that's where my X is going to go. Now, if they're 30% off of 100, I'm going to put 30% right there. And 30% off of 100 will be 70, because 100 minus 30 is 70%. Now the sale price goes up here, and that's $80.50. And now I have my problem all set up. Here's my proportion off to the right. This time my unknown is my regular price. The time before, on the first problem, my unknown was my percent discount, so I had to cross multiply to find this number. Then I found the distance between 100 and that number. So let's cross multiply and see how I do. I'll take 70 times x and $80.50 times 100. And if I do that, I get 70x is equal to 8,050. Divide both sides by 70. And I get x is equal to $115. So that means the regular price for the Play Jersey Boys was $115 per ticket. So there is my proportion. Let's do one last one. Now so far I've had my x here or there. I've had my x as my original price. Now we'll try one where my x is my sale price. So let's go on to number 3. CJ got new skis for his trip out west. The regular price was $375. So regular price is the same as 100%, so I put the $375 there. But he got them on sale for 40% off the regular price. So 40% off, if I take 100 and subtract the 40%, I'm going to have 60% right there. And I want to try and find what the sale price is. What was the sale price? So that's where the x goes. Remember, my prices always go on the top line, and my percents always go on the bottom line. So let's cross multiply that, see how it goes. So I have 60 times 375 is equal to x times 100. If I multiply it out, I get 22,500 is equal to 100x. Divide both sides by 100, and I get x is equal to $225. So these are examples where you can change the variable or change the unknown. I've moved it around for all 3 problems. The first problem, I wanted to find my percent off. The second problem, I was trying to find my regular price. This one, I was trying to find my sale price. And all these problems are very similar. And it's so easy once you learn how to set up a proportion to do these problems. Hopefully that helped. Good luck. If you have any questions, let me know tomorrow in class.